So today I'll be showing you how to force restart your stuck or frozen MacBook Neo. So if your MacBook Neo is frozen for some reason and you can't navigate to anything, you can't do anything on the Mac, you can actually apply a forced restart. So to do that, press and hold Command, Option, and Control. As you're holding those three keys in, you want to press and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds. So just press and hold. Once you count to 5 seconds, you can now release and continue holding the three buttons. The screen will go dark. Just keep holding for an extra 10 seconds. And now you can let go. And now you've successfully forced shut down your Mac. Now to complete the forced restart, you now just press the power button to restart your Mac. So that is how you can force restart your MacBook Neo. You have to force shut down and then restart. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.